Hello everyone, my name is Matthew Fraley. I'm the founder of BreakpointTrades.com, and in this brief video I'm going to discuss our newsletters, some of the most comprehensive technical analysis market newsletters out there. At least I think, and I think you'll agree, we typically do 50 to sometimes 100 charts with audio commentary anywhere from 25 minutes to an hour. Anyway, I want to discuss a few things in these newsletters. First off, they open in the original player by default. You'll see these various tabs at the top. The date of the newsletter is at the top here, of course. And on this original player, you'll see this audio file down here. And you'll see that this particular audio file is about 26.5 minutes. You can, of course, play it, pause, anytime you want, stop. You can move the play bar anywhere you want. But basically how the newsletters work, you'll see these numbers on the left. We discuss each item in a top-down fashion. So we'll say, for example, item number 1, here's the table of contents, and we'll give it an introduction. Item number 2, here's the table of the market index sectors and what transpired today and this week, and we'll go through that. So that's how you're able to not get lost with the audio commentary. We reference these numbers on the left. There's also this new player here at the top. If you click that, that allows you to see the individual charts, and you can actually skip around and listen to the audio for each chart by itself. So for example, if I skip to this one, let me pause it, you can see that I talk on this chart for a minute 30, and you can listen to what I say on this particular chart. You can skip around. A lot of our more advanced members will do that. If you're new, I suggest listening to the whole newsletters for quite a while until you get a handle on things. We'll typically add some short-term trade ideas, which you can see here, new trades, and then we'll do follow-ups on recent trade setups. So let me go back to the original player. So again, one thing that separates Breakpoint Trades from other services is that we provide the actual chart URLs that we use for stockcharts.com, and we give them to you freely. So you can see these various charts. Most services out there just simply give you an image, a static image. We actually give you the live chart URL so that if you have a membership at stockcharts.com, you can take the chart and save it directly into your stock charts, and so you have all the settings preset there, wherever indicators we're using. You can add your own, etc. So let's just take this chart. You can see it says view live chart. So next to each of these stockcharts.com, you'll see the view live chart. So you simply click that link and you'll get the chart. Especially you need to be logged into your stockcharts.com account. Okay, then simply hit at the bottom, hit the annotate. Now I already have this chart in my stock charts, so it's not going to really show me much. Let me change the symbol here. Let's change it to something random. So if this was one of our live charts, you click the annotate button. On here on the left, click the save chart, and then it'll simply pull up in your stock charts. These are where your chart lists are. You save, you pick the chart list that you want. You give it a name, BPT, AMD 5-minute chart, whatever, and you hit upload. And that's really all there is to it. Okay. Now again, this chart here doesn't have any annotations because remember, the one I pulled up from the newsletter we already had, and so stock charts recognizes that. But that's all you got to do, guys. Click annotate, hit the save button, and you're good to go. So you can basically take any of these cool charts that we give you, like this one with all these annotations. You could just simply click live chart. You then can simply, I guess you could also hit save as up here. I didn't see that, but you can hit save as up here as well. That's probably the easier way to do it, honestly. So yeah, that's the easier way. Hit save as up here, or save. I would generally hit save as so that you can give its own name. You can see this one's in Steve's list, but again, you'll have your own personal list. So yeah, that's actually much easier than going into the annotation. So here's our nice pivots chart. Again, click live chart, click the save as at the top. Okay, and it will then ask you to give it a name and save it in the chart list. Okay, so I hope that helps. All right, again, if you have stockcharts.com, again, we don't get any kickback from that. That's just a service we provide. But if you do have a stockcharts.com membership, which again can be very useful, especially since most of the charts we're using are from StockCharts, that's a nice little perk. You can actually use our charts. So I hope that helps you. Again, you could also contact our support if you need help. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Thanks.